All right, mathletes, we made it to chapter 5. Congratulations. So chapter 5. So in chapter 5-1, we're talking about mid-segments of triangles. And chapter 5 in general is relationships within triangles. So anyway, that'll be obviously the common theme. So the triangle mid segment theorem, says that if we have a triangle, right, it starts with a triangle, and we have a segment where a segment that goes through a triangle where the endpoints of that segment are midpoints of these respective sides. That means that that segment that goes across there, DE in this case, has to be parallel with AB. So DE and AB are parallel, and DE has to be half of AB. Okay, so this segment is half of this segment. All right. So let me just kind of go through that again. So if we have a situation where we have a triangle where we have, and let me say this a different way, where we have two midpoints, one on one side and one on the other, and the segment that connects those midpoints, then that segment is parallel to the side that doesn't have a midpoint on it, right? The third side there in that case. And it's also half of that third side. So it's parallel to and half, equal to half the length of that third side. Okay. All right. So hopefully that makes sense. It it seems like a mouthful to explain on my end, but hopefully that's intuitive to you and makes sense. Maybe not the the conclusions themselves are intuitive, but hopefully the situation here makes sense. Okay, and then you can remember what it does. Now we're not going to be able to prove this in the way that we've proven a lot of other things that we've had, because this deals with something called similarity and proportionality, which you'll get to later on in your geometry careers. Probably not this semester, but next semester. And so it's kind of like congruence. It has some similar, no pun intended, kind of characteristics and things that you do, but it's a little different. So, and it's a very important topic as you get into trigonometry and beyond. Especially in trigonometry, similarity is basically the foundation for why some of the trigonometric relationships that you'll learn about, why they exist.